Wrath of the Gods.
Wrath of the Gods is coming to for one night only.
Oh, it's a bit low.
Really low, isn't it?
Is it going to go up? What's it going to go with?
Could go out with us, like it.
No.
Ooh!
What for me?
It's got to be flying towards us now. Oh, there you go. It spins there,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Ow!
Oh crap, falling out of the sky.